Next in our review list is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Widely acclaimed as the best foldable Android phones on the market in 2024, while this high-end device may not fit all budgets, it stands out with its exceptional features and performance. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 features a stunning 6.7-inch main screen with a resolution of 2176 by 1812 pixels paired with a 6.2-inch AMOLED 2x external touch display boosting 2316 and by 904 pixels. Powering this foldable marvel is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, accompanied by 12 gigs of RAM and storage options of 256 gigs or 512 gigs or 1 terabyte as well. This powerful combination ensures top-notch performance for any task. Battery life is impressive with a 4400 mAh capacity with 25-watt fast charging support, ensuring you stay connected throughout the day. The photography setup includes a triple camera system on the back, 50 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel wide-angle lens, and a 10 megapixel telephoto camera, offering versatile and high-quality photo capabilities. The internal and external screens remain consistent with the previous models, providing a 6.2-inch display on the outside and a 7.6-inch nearly square screen inside. This large internal display is perfect for multitasking, making it ideal for users who need a miniature pocket computer. Connectivity has seen minor improvements thanks to the new processor, with Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6E now included alongside 5G and NFC. Essential features like a USB-C, a side-mounted fingerprint reader, and comprehensive software enhancements based on Android 13 are all present. Just a quick note, if you are interested in any of the products, I've updated the description below with the links. To get the best deals available right now, make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. And yes, most of the people who are new on the channel are not subscribed, so subscribe now for the best reviews of the most demanding Android phones of 2024.